Number 1. For $6,000 in Tyler, Texas, this 1974 Chevrolet Impala offers a custom two-door classic with style and performance. Powered by a small block 400 engine with a mild cam, headers, and a shift kit, it's built for cruising. The blue exterior complements the off-white interior, making it a standout on the road. With a clean title and no significant issues, this Impala is ready to hit the streets or undergo further customization, making it an exciting project for classic car enthusiasts. Number 2. For $6,000 in Austin, Texas, this 1984 Cadillac DeVille Coupe offers a unique blend of luxury and custom features. Equipped with airbags for front, back, and side-to-side movement, it also boasts a rebuilt engine and transmission, along with a new gas tank and lines. While it requires reassembly and some minor repairs, including the hood and back left airbag, all necessary parts are included. With its green exterior and distinct customization, this Cadillac is an excellent option for restoration or trade, making it a standout classic with potential. Number 3. For $4,999 in Webbville, Kentucky, this 1978 Ford F-150 is a well-preserved classic that's ready for a new owner. With just 78,000 miles, it comes equipped with an automatic transmission and features a striking green exterior and interior that showcase its vintage charm. This pickup is in excellent condition, making it a perfect choice for enthusiasts seeking a reliable and original truck that's ready to hit the road. Whether you're looking for a solid addition to your collection or a dependable daily driver, this 1978 Ford F-150 is a fantastic find for anyone who appreciates classic American pickups. Number 4. Hit the road in style with this 1977 Chevrolet G20 van, listed for $7,500 in DeMotte, Indiana. Powered by a 454 big block V8, this classic van offers plenty of power and runs and drives flawlessly with minimal rust. Nearly all original, it showcases a striking red exterior and a tan interior, exuding nostalgic charm. With a clean title and no significant issues, this van is an excellent investment for collectors or road trip enthusiasts looking for a vintage ride that combines reliability and character. It's the perfect vehicle to restore, customize, or take on your next adventure. Number 5. This 1962 Ford Galaxie 500XL, listed for $4,500 in Byers, Colorado, offers a great foundation for a project car. Powered by a 390 engine and automatic transmission, it runs and drives well, with numerous new parts including a starter, brake components, and spark plugs. The car features all chrome intact and crack-free glass, adding to its appeal. With a striking black exterior and a burgundy interior, this classic is ready for either restoration or daily driving. Whether you're looking for a restoration project or a reliable vintage ride, the 1962 Galaxie 500XL offers plenty of potential. Number 6. This 1963 Mercury Comet, priced at $3,500 and located in Hartselle, Alabama, is a great option for a restoration project. Powered by a 170 CI i6 engine and a 2-speed automatic transmission, it runs smoothly with recent updates, including a re-cored radiator, new carburetor, and replaced fuel tank. While it does have a driveshaft vibration at 50 miles per hour, with U-joints included for repair, the car is in excellent shape overall, featuring complete chrome trim, a Flowmaster muffler, and additional spare parts. This classic offers plenty of potential for restoration enthusiasts looking for a vintage vehicle to revive. Number 7. This 1975 Ford F-150 Heritage, listed for $2,500 in Hiawassee, Georgia, presents an excellent opportunity for a classic project truck. Featuring a striking red-on-red color scheme and a manual transmission, it is described as rust-free with no dents, making it a rare find. While it needs some restoration work, the truck's solid body and its heritage value provide a strong foundation for customization or revival. Whether you plan to fully restore it or make it your own with a custom build, this F-150 offers great potential for enthusiasts looking to invest in a timeless classic Ford pickup. Number 8. This 1984 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 T-Top, listed for $2,000 in Hondo, Texas, is a promising project car with significant potential. Featuring a 305 V8 engine and the iconic T-Top styling, it cranks but may need a carburetor replacement to get it running smoothly. The car comes with a clean title, offering peace of mind for restoration. This Camaro is ready for a new owner to restore its performance, enhance its power, and bring back its classic appeal. Whether you're a Camaro enthusiast or simply looking for a vintage car to customize, this Z28 offers a solid foundation for a rewarding project. Number 9. This 1964 GMC 1500 long bed, listed for $1,700 in Houston, Texas, offers a rare opportunity to own a classic long bed pickup. Equipped with a manual transmission, this vintage truck comes with a clean title and has no significant damage, making it an ideal starting point for restoration. Its solid foundation and timeless appeal give it great potential, whether you're aiming for a full restoration or a custom build. With its classic charm and sturdy design, this GMC 1500 is ready for its next chapter, offering enthusiasts a reliable and iconic classic truck to restore or modify as they see fit. Number 10. This 1985 Ford Ranger, listed for $1,500 in Bedford, Indiana, presents a great restoration opportunity. Powered by a 2.4-liter V6 engine and featuring an automatic transmission, it's a solid project truck, although it currently has a blown head gasket. The truck comes with its original keys, manuals, and a newly installed brake line. With minimal rust due to its California origins, this Ranger offers a strong foundation for restoration. Whether you're looking to restore it to its original state or customize it, this Ford Ranger is a fantastic project vehicle with potential.